officers. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs MCQ series. In this segment, we revise our daily current affairs with MCQ and explanation that will help you to ace the prelims 2021. So, without talking much, let's start today's session. First question: with reference to National AI portal, consider the following statements. Statement 1. It is a joint venture by the Ministry of Electronics and IT and Niti Aayog. Statement 2. It serves as a central hub for artificial intelligence related activities in India and beyond. Now, here's statement 1. This is incorrect. Okay? Statement 1 is incorrect, and statement 2, it serves as central hub for artificial intelligence related activities in India and beyond, is absolutely correct. Let's see the options. Which of the statements is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So we already got it. The correct option is here 2 only. So B is the correct option. Okay. Now next move to the explanation. The National AI portal celebrated its first anniversary on 28 May 2021. Okay. National AI portal is a joint initiative by the Ministry of Electronics and IT, National E-Governance Division, that is NEGD, and NASSCOM. So that's why statement 1 is incorrect, because here it said it's a joint venture of Niti Aayog and Ministry of Electronics and IT. That's why it is incorrect. It serves as a central hub for artificial intelligence related news, learning, articles, events and activities, etc. in India and beyond. That is correct. So that was in statement 2. That's why statement 2 is correct. Okay. Now what is NEGD? In 2009, NEGD was created as an independent business division under the Digital India Corporation, that is a non-profit company set up by MEITY. Okay. Now NASSCOM. What is NASSCOM? NASSCOM is a non-profit industry association, is the apex body for the IT and the IT enabled products and service sector in India. Okay, and the services sector in India. Now move on to the next question. With reference to the olive Riddle's turtle, consider the following statement. Statement 1. These turtles are the rarest of the sea turtles and found in the world. Statement 2. They are known for their unique mass nesting called Arivada. And statement 3. They are enlisted as vulnerable in the IUCN Red List. So here statement 1, these are rarest, this is incorrect. Okay, this one is incorrect. Statement 2, they are known for their unique mass nesting, that is called Ariveda. This is absolutely correct. They are enlisted as vulnerable in the IUCN Red List. This is also absolutely correct. So let's see the options. We have to find out which one is not correct. Which one is correct? The statement given above is or are correct. So here the correct option will option B, that is 2 and 3 only. Okay. Move on to the explanation. The olive ridley turtles are the smallest and most abundant of all sea turtles in the world. That's why statement 1 is incorrect. These turtles are carnivorous and get their name from their olive color carapace, and they migrate thousands of kilometers between feeding and mating ground in the course of a year. They are best known for their unique mass nesting, that is called Ariveda, where thousands of females come together on the same beach to lay eggs. So that's why statement 2 is also correct. They are found in warm water of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. The Odisha's Gahi Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary is known as the world's largest rookery of sea turtles. Now let's see the protection status. IUCN Red List is vulnerable in the CITES Appendix 1 and Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Okay, so that is one in statement 3. That is in statement 3. That's why it is correct, because its status is vulnerable. Now next question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Considers being a member of group of 7 countries since 2020. Statement 2. Cambridge Bay Declaration is signed by G7 countries to prevent cyber attacks. Okay. Now, it is India. So, India has been a member of Group 7 countries since 2020. 2002. Okay. Cambridge Bay Declaration is signed by G7 countries to prevent cyber attacks. So here the statements are, which one is correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. And option D, neither 1 nor 2. So here the correct statement is, correct option is option D. That is neither 1 nor 2. Move on to the explanation. G7 is a bloc of industrialized democracies. They are France, Germany, Italy, UK, Japan, United States and Canada. It is an intergovernmental organization that are formed in 1975. The bloc meets annually to discuss issues on common interest like global economic governance, international security and energy policy. Okay. Apart from India, Australia and South Korea were also invited to participate in the proceeding of the summit as guest countries, and India is not a part of G7. So that's why statement 1 is incorrect. At the 47th G7 Summit 2021, the G7 signed the Cambridge Bay Declaration. It is aimed at preventing future pandemics. That's why statement 2 is not correct. The G7 also pledged over 1 billion coronavirus vaccine doses for poorer nations, with half of that coming from United States and 100 million from Britain. Move on to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding rare earth element. Statement 1. They are profound as rare earths due to the difficulty in extraction from their oxides form. Leaving China beyond, the US has over time acquired global domination of rare earth elements. And statement 3, the rare earth elements are a set of metallic and non-metallic elements. So here the statements, they are referred to rare earths due to difficulty in extraction from their oxidized forms is absolutely correct, and the other two statements 2 and 3 are incorrect. Let's see the options. We have to find out which one is correct. Okay, so here we know that 1 only correct, so B will be the correct option. Move on to the explanation. Rare earth elements are called as rare earths because earlier it was difficult to extract them from their oxidized forms technologically. Okay, that's why statement 1 is correct. They occur in many minerals but typically in low concentration to be refined in an economical manner. China at one point produced 90% of the rare earths the world needs. So today, however, it has come down to 60% and remaining is produced by other countries, including the Quad, that are Australia, India, Japan and United States joint venture. And next, so the dominant share of the process rare earth lies with China. So that's why statement 2 is not correct. There are a set of 17 metallic, not the non-metallic element. These include the 15 lanthanides on the periodic table, in addition to scandium and yttrium that show similar physical and chemical properties to the lanthanidines. They are also called the rare earth elements. So that statement 3 is also incorrect. Now consider the following statements regarding the innovation for defense excellence. Statement 1. It aims to achieve self-reliance and foster innovation and technology development in defense and aerospace. Statement 2. It is funded and managed by Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. So, the aim is to achieve self-reliance and foster innovation and technology development in defense and aerospace is absolutely correct. It is funded and managed by DRDO. This is absolutely incorrect. Okay. Next, we have to find out which one is correct. So, we already got that statement 1 is correct. So, option E is the correct option. Move on to the explanation. The Innovation for Defense Excellence, that is IDX initiative, was launched by the Prime Minister in April 2018, and it aims to achieve self-reliance and foster innovation and technology development in defense and aerospace by engaging industries like micro, small and medium enterprise, that is MSMEs, startups, individual innovations, research and development institutes and academia. So that's why statement 1 is correct. IDX is funded and managed by the Defense Innovation Organization, that is DIO, is not DRDO, and its function as the executive arm of DIO. That's why statement 2 is incorrect. So this is all for this segment. You can follow us on our Facebook page, on our Telegram group and on Instagram. You can ask any query there. You can text me, and here you can share this video with your friends. Do like, subscribe this channel if you are new here, and thanks for watching the video.